Airbnb and DoorDash IPO. Are they overhyped? Soon enough you will find out. But first of all, let's intro. D&D Finance, helping you making better financial decisions. Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's get started. In 2008, Brian Chesky decided to rent out his couch. And for whatever reason, right now he has a net worth of about $3 billion US. So let's have a quick look at Airbnb real quick. So Airbnb is not only a rental platform where you can rent like rooms and apartments, etc., but they also offers experiences. For example, if I scroll down real quick, like this experience, cooking pasta at home with Italian grandma. Smash the like button for no reason. So that sounds like a very authentic experience to me. And for this year, they started also online experiences. So they do try to make money during this world crisis too, which is a very positive signal for the Airbnb stock price. And the biggest hotel chain is Marriott. I've looked it up, and they have over 7,000 properties worldwide in over 131 countries. And Marriott Hotels is a luxury or a premium hotel brand, which with at least a 3-star brands up to 5 stars. And for comparison, Airbnb has over 7 million listings worldwide, and it is available in over 220 countries. So no hotels has a chance to compete with Airbnb, and Marriott hotel chain is already the biggest one. Any questions so far, feedbacks or comments, just leave it in the video description below. And Airbnb also offer luxury, like competing also with other 5-star hotels. For example, this one, Airbnb luxury retreats. As you can see here, they have a lot to offer. Anywhere, everywhere in the world, from Europe to Asia, all the way to the States. And there are about 3 million hosts, but this figure is already outdated. This figure is from May 2020, and right now there are about 4 million hosts on Airbnb platform. And as you can see here, the track record, how they were doing. So in 2015, the gross booking value was only about 72 million US dollars, so not a lot, but as you can see on the next year, the gross booking value increases about 50% every year from 2015 to 2016 all the way to 2019 with a gross booking value of 38 billion US dollars. So such a tremendous high growth. So the biggest competitor. How is your stock portfolio doing right now? Comment in the video description below. In this space as a platform is Expedia, and was founded in 1996, and the market cap right now is around 18 billion US dollars. So no chance against Airbnb, because Airbnb plans to sell the shares at $50 with a market cap of around 36 billion US dollars. And today they even decide to raise the price to $60 a share, which means their market cap is at about 42 billion US dollars. So Airbnb stock seems like in high demand. They will sell their stocks like hotcakes. All in all, Airbnb IPO is not overhyped, but well hyped. The Airbnb stock ticker symbol is abnb stock, and IPO means that they will start selling their shares publicly through stock exchanges so that everyone can buy Airbnb stocks. And the IPO starting date is on 10th December. Another IPO is DoorDash IPO. DoorDash is the biggest delivery service in America. And it was founded in 2013 by this guy, Tony Xu. And if you look at their website, they have about 1 million dashers with over 18 million customers. And DoorDash is only available in the States, Australia, for example Sydney and Melbourne, and Canada, for example Montreal, Vancouver, and Toronto. That's it. And they're already at 35 billion US dollars market cap. So if they expand further like worldwide, their market cap has a way higher potential to more than 100 billion US dollars. Their IPO is, according to some sources, either on 8th December 2020 or 9th December 2020. And the share will be at around $80, but they recently increased it to $90. So the market cap will be around 35 billion US dollars. One of the biggest competitor is Grubhub, and Grubhub was founded in 2004, and their market cap is, compared to DoorDash, only 6 billion US dollars. Subscribe and see you next time.